Hey everyone, Dean here. I'm so excited to have you join me today. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to get fit and stay healthy: food for fitness. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, what you eat can make a huge difference. Working out regularly is super important, but are you eating the right things to help you get the most out of your workouts? The right nutrition can fuel your body, enhance your performance, and speed up your recovery. We're going to look at 20 top foods to eat before and after exercising. These foods are packed with nutrients that can help you build muscle, burn fat, and keep your energy levels high. Get ready to learn how to make your workouts better, have more energy, and recover faster, all with the power of good food. We'll cover everything from quick snacks to full meals, and I'll share some of my favorite recipes and tips. Let's go! First up is the amazing banana. Full of potassium and carbs, this easy-to-grab fruit gives you long-lasting energy for your workout. Want something warm and filling before your workout? Oatmeal is a great source of complex carbohydrates, which give you energy for a longer time. This protein and carb mix is a winner. Greek yogurt gives you protein for your muscles, and berries have natural sugars for energy. Number 4. Apple slices with peanut butter. This snack is the perfect mix of natural sugars from apples and healthy fats from peanut butter. The apples provide a quick energy boost, while the peanut butter offers sustained energy to keep you going strong. It's easy to prepare and delicious to eat, making it an ideal choice for a pre-workout snack. Whether you're heading to the gym or going for a run, this combination will help fuel your training and keep your energy levels stable throughout your workout. Number 5. Smoothie. A quick and easy way to fuel up. Blend your favorite fruits, veggies, and a scoop of protein powder for a power-packed pre-workout smoothie. Number 6. Whole grain toast with avocado. Whole grain toast has complex carbs, and avocado has healthy fats and fiber, making it a great pre-workout choice. Need a quick energy boost on the go? Trail mix with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit gives you a good mix of carbs, protein, and healthy fats. Don't forget about cottage cheese. It's full of casein protein, which gives you slow and steady energy. Short on time, energy bars can be handy, but choose ones with natural ingredients and a good mix of carbs and protein. Number 10. Hard-boiled eggs. A great source of protein and important nutrients, hard-boiled eggs can help fuel your workout and help your muscles grow. Number 11. Grilled chicken with quinoa. Time to feed those muscles. Grilled chicken is a great source of lean protein, and quinoa has complex carbs and fiber. Number 12. Salmon with sweet potato. This tasty combo is a post-workout winner. Salmon has high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, and sweet potato has carbs and nutrients. Number 13. Tuna salad. A classic and easy choice. Tuna salad has protein and healthy fats, making it great for muscle recovery. Number 14. Protein shake. The go-to for quick and effective post-workout recovery. Choose a protein powder you like and mix it with water or milk. Number 15. turkey sandwich on whole grain bread, a filling and healthy meal. Turkey has lean protein and whole grain bread has complex carbs for long-lasting energy. Don't knock it till you try it. Chocolate milk has a great mix of carbs and protein, perfect for getting your energy back. Another great way to eat cottage cheese. The protein in cottage cheese helps your muscles recover, and pineapple adds natural sweetness. Number 18. Hummus with veggies. A light and refreshing choice. Hummus has plant-based protein and healthy fats, and veggies have important vitamins and minerals. Number 19. Beef jerky. Easy to grab and packed with protein. Beef jerky is great for on-the-go muscle recovery after your workout. Number 20. Lentil soup. Warm, comforting, and good for you. Lentil soup is full of plant-based protein, fiber, and complex carbs for long-lasting energy. Fuel your workouts. Fuel your results. Remember, the right nutrition can make all the difference in your performance and recovery. It's not just about the hours you put in at the gym, but also about what you put into your body. There you have it, 20 great foods to power up your workouts and help you recover. From protein-packed options to antioxidant-rich choices, these foods are designed to give you the energy you need and aid in muscle repair. Remember, what you eat is just as important as how you train. A balanced diet can enhance your performance, reduce the risk of injury, and speed up recovery times. So, make sure to incorporate these foods into your daily meals. By adding these healthy foods to your diet, you'll be well on your way to reaching your fitness goals. Consistency is key, and with the right nutrition, you'll see improvements in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness and nutrition tips. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your fitness journey. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep pushing towards your goals. Until next time, take care and keep fueling your body the right way.